Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Ashley. Today is a really horrible day in Sydney. It is dreary, super rainy, stay inside kind of weather, although I've had a good morning. I've done my workout, I've done my grocery shopping, so I've done a whole bunch of adulting today, and now it's that afternoon and I just want to chill out and relax on my Sunday before we start the whole week again. So I thought, why not test out a brand new hair product for you guys today? I'm gonna give myself a pamper Sunday afternoon and do a hair mask. And the hair mask I'm gonna be trying out is one from Coco and Eve. If you guys are familiar with Coco and Eve, I see them literally all over Instagram and YouTube. And they kindly reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to test out a few of their products, which I absolutely jumped at the chance. I am in desperate need of a hair mask. I actually cannot remember the last time I did a hair mask, so I mean, so if you've had a rough week or it's just been a rough day, grab your hair mask, let's chill out together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up. It really does help me out as a small channel. Subscribe down below as well so don't miss out on any of my new videos, and let's get pampering. So Coco and Eve sent over a bundle for me to try, and this is, I'm gonna cover up my dress. This is what it comes in, just like a normal cardboard box, which I absolutely love because it's all recyclable and there's not like a whole bunch of like crazy packaging in here. It's packaged well, but all in cardboard, which is awesome. So this is what the bundle looks like when you open it up. You've just got a little brochure which just has a whole bunch of their kind of other products in it as well, so I will have a flick through that later. Has the microfiber towel here. Yeah, I'm gonna open this up. I've never tried one of those like hair wrapped like towels before. I normally just twirl it up with my normal towel, but I've heard that these microfiber towels are really good for your hair. So this is what it looks like here. How cute is the like print on it? So fun. I don't know how I'm gonna go doing it up though, but we'll figure that out when we get to that part, I guess. So that's the towel there, and then this is the actual like what the packaging comes in, the same kind of print there, and you open it up and this is what it looks like in the package. So this is the Coco and Eve Black Virgin Deep Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Masks. So this is the mask here. Just comes in the teal and pink packaging. Open it up, and then this is kind of what the mask looks like here. It's quite a thick kind of texture, not super liquidy or anything like that. What does it smell like? Oh wow, that is so, wow, that is so nice. Yum. What is in that? I'll have to look at what the ingredients are because that smells divine. Wow, yum. Okay, and then in the package as well, we've also got the Tangle Tamer brush. I've seen these ones. It kind of looks like like a Tangle teaser, I guess. I've never actually tried one of these like brushes, but that's what it looks like here. Apparently it's got those, you can see, like 2-tier bristles, so some that are a lot longer, some that are a bit shorter, and apparently that's meant to help the amount of damage that's caused when brushing your hair. So that all sounds awesome. So let's get into it. I'm just going to read the instructions here. So it says, shampoo as normal, then evenly distribute a generous amount of the product into towel dried hair. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse with warm water. Use once to twice a week. So let's have a look at the current hair situation. Now, I really need to get it colored, that's for starters, and it's just been up in this gross bun all day, so it's probably looking real manky at the moment, but let's just take my hair out. So this is what we're working with. Okay, I did heat style it beforehand, but obviously putting up in a bun and running around in the rain and the sweat has just ruined it. But anyway, this is what my hair looks like. It's really, really damaged at the moment, like so damaged. I desperately need a haircut, like so bad. So this is the hair situation at the moment. Not great. It is so dry and damaged at the moment, and it's just really tangly, like it's really knotty. Looks just not the greatest. So I'm gonna go and jump on into the shower. I will shampoo my hair like I normally will, and then I'll come back, we'll apply it on camera, and I'll leave it on for the 5 to 10 minutes. Show you what the hair's looking like after that time, jump in the shower, come back, and then we'll have a look at the hair once I've styled it. So yeah, I'll be back shortly. Okay guys, so I am back. I have washed my hair in the shower just with shampoo, and I have towel dried it. So it's like damp but not like dripping. I've just pulled up the That's a Wrap bundle on the Coco and Eve website. Currently it's retailing for $69.70. It's 34% off at the moment, which is awesome if you wanted to pick something up. So it says that our raw virgin coconuts from Bali add shine and softness to the hair. They also strengthen and repair the hair by preventing breakage and split ends, which is awesome. My hair is like literally like snapping off. I picked out the biggest split end. It was like one strand of hair. I had like 4 or 5 splits on the length. I was like, oh, chop that off. But like, that's just telling you how bad my hair is at the moment. Next ingredient is fig. So fig and shea butter moisturize and help detangle the hair without making it heavy or weighed down, which is awesome. I love moisturized hair. I hate it when it's super heavy and then you feel like you needed to go and like wash your hair like the next day. Next ingredient is linseed, which improves the gloss and texture, so it's silky soft to the touch, which sounds awesome. And then it also has argan oil, which helps to treat split ends, tames frizziness, to make your hair more manageable while adding gloss and shine to give the hair vitality. Has the directions on the website as well about how to use. So we've already shampooed our hair and towel dried it. So now I'm just going to comb the product through the hair. So I've got my little brush here. So I see people, I might just see if I can section my hair out. Maybe I'll just do this side first. I've just got a little scrunchie here, which I'm just going to tie this half of my hair. So we're just like working with one half at a time. And then we will do that half. I'm going to open it up. It really does smell divine. So I'm going to go in with the little brush. I see people like scooping with the brush, so we're going to try that. I'm just going to put the brush in and scoop a bit of it out. It's a really thick texture. So I guess we're going to just start to brush it through. So this Tangle Tamer, like my hair is just gliding through it. I don't feel like it's really pulling or anything, which is nice. And I feel like it's helping to distribute the product through my hair quite well. You know, sometimes you like put a mask on and you put a bit on and then it just kind of stays in that one section. I feel like the brush is actually really working that product through the hair. I feel like my whole, well, this portion of my hair anyway is really covered in that mask. Make sure to really work it onto the ends. A bunch of my hairs come off in the brush, but that's not uncommon because obviously I haven't washed my hair in like 3 or 4 days, so I always lose a bit of hair. But the mask is getting kind of caught in the bristles, which is annoying, I guess, because I kind of want to make sure I'm not, you know, wasting it. But anyway, that's that half of the hair. It feels really well distributed. I feel like my whole hair is like coated. I'm trying to like press my hair, just my ends of my hair into it so I can pick up the last little bit of that product. And I might just grab a little bit on my fingers as well and really just like work it. I'm gonna stand up and really just work it into the ends because that's where my hair is like obviously the most damaged. So now that that's in, we're gonna work over the other side of the hair. And this time I am just gonna try and pick it up with my fingers and distribute it, and then maybe go in with the brush. Now I'm going to go in and brush it through with the Tangle Tamer brush. Stand up a little bit. I did lose quite a little bit of hair throughout the combing process, but again, because I haven't washed my hair in like 3 or 4 days, it's not uncommon for me to lose that amount of hair. And then this is basically what the brush is looking like. As you can see, the product is caught in this little area up the top here, which I'm unable to kind of get out because of the different like heights in the bristles. I can't get that product out. So that's a bit annoying because I feel like I've maybe just wasted a bit of the product there. I don't know how to avoid that in future, but anyway, just something to note. I'm going to place as well just a tiny little bit more up the top here because I find I'm getting a bit of breakage here. So I'm just going to make sure to apply it at the top portion as well. This is what the hair is looking like. It's not like a dripping mask at all. Like it's really in there, but it's not going to like drip out. I'm going to leave this on for 10 minutes now. I will come back after that time to check in with you guys to see what the hair texture is looking like. Sometimes hair masks can like dry or go crusty or crepey. I like to see what the texture of this is. Then we'll wash everything out and I will come back with freshly styled hair, but I will check in with you in 10 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm back. It's been the 10 minutes. We're gonna take this out. I also read on the package that you can do a real deep condition with this and wear this to bed and then rinse out in the morning, which I might try next weekend. I'll do it on like a Friday night so then my hair's nice over the weekend. But this is what it's looking like. It doesn't feel like a lot has come off on the towel as well, which is good. I don't feel like I need to wash that right away, especially if I'm going to do the mask next weekend. So loving that. My hair is feeling just like exactly like it was before, still a little bit damp and wet, like thick with that mask. Like it hasn't dried or anything like that. So this is kind of what the hair is looking like. So I'm now going to go and rinse this off. I'm going to let my hair air dry and then I will style it and come back and I will show you what my hair is looking like. So I will see you guys later on. So guys, I am back. I let my hair dry off in the towel and don't come at me. I just realized that I had the towel on back to front. I did fix it halfway through, but I had the button at the top and the button's meant to be at the back. I'm meant to like twist it down. So anyway, I did fix it up later, but I did let my hair, once I've been in the towel for a while and soaked up a lot of the moisture, I did just let my hair air dry, and then I went in and just curled my hair as I normally would. And guys, my hair is feeling so soft. Like it is so soft. I'm not getting like any tangles or knots. Like it feels so nice. So I am just going to show you guys what it's looking like now. So I'm gonna run my hands through it. It just feels so nice and soft. So I'm absolutely loving what the mask has done for my hair. Although I do feel like it's added a little bit of shine. I do feel like I want to put in like an oil just to finish off the hair, but seriously guys, I don't think my hair has felt this good in ages. So I think the mask, like it feels so soft. Like this bit of hair here, because it's so like delicate, I feel like it always just feels like super crusty. It feels so soft, like baby hair. It's so nice. The That's a Wrap bundle retails at the moment for $69.70. It's normally $105.70. So it's got 34% off at the moment. So I mean, if you are interested in picking it up, I would absolutely recommend. Oh, the smell gets me so good. It's so good. But after one use, like I've barely used any, like really, like that's so much still in there. I feel like this mask is going to at least last me 6 months because you're only meant to use it once or twice a week. So that tub is going to last me so long. I seriously wish you guys could come and feel my hair. Like it is so soft. It kind of feels like when you just go into the salon and all you want to do is like keep playing with your hair because they put so many nice products in it. Like that's what I feel like I'm doing right now. Like it's so nice. So guys, that is it from me today. I hope you found this video helpful. I will leave links down below to Coco and Eve's website if you wanted to check them out. I will let you know that I am an affiliate with Coco and Eve. They did send me these products to review for you guys, and clicking on those links down below, if you do choose to purchase something from Coco and Eve, I will get a small commission from that purchase, just so you are aware. I thank you for your support. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the That's a Wrap bundle, comment down below, ask away. I will answer all your questions. Give this video a big like, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. I hope you all have a fantastic rest of the week. Be kind to one another and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.